Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Beast, here to drop some serious knowledge bombs on how to make bank with AI in 2024. That's right, we're talking about the future of getting paid, and trust me, it's looking lit. We're diving deep into the top 5 ways you can cash in on the AI revolution. Whether you're a tech whiz or a creative genius, there's an AI-powered side hustle out there with your name on it. Get ready to level up your income game because things are about to get wild. This ain't your grandma's side hustle, folks. We're talking about using cutting-edge AI tools to automate tasks, boost your productivity, and rake in some serious dough. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to ride the MoneyWaveUSA. All right, first up, we're talking about freelance photo editing. Now, I know what you're thinking, Mr. Beast, I'm no photographer. But hold on, because this is where AI comes in clutch. With AI-powered photo editing tools like Topaz Photo AI and Luminar AI, you don't need to be a Photoshop wizard to make some serious cash. These tools are like having a team of professional editors at your fingertips. They can enhance images, adjust lighting, and even remove unwanted objects with just a few clicks. It's like magic, but with more money-making potential. Now let's talk numbers. Successful freelance photo editors can earn anywhere from $40,000 to $80,000 a year. That's right. Just by touching up photos in your spare time, you could be rolling in dough. Think about it, businesses are constantly needing high-quality images for their websites, social media, and marketing materials. And who are they gonna call? You, the AI-powered photo editing ninja. You can find gigs on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru. Just create a profile, showcase your skills, and watch the offers roll in. And the best part, you can work from anywhere in the world. So whether you're a college student looking for a side hustle or someone who's just passionate about photography, freelance photo editing with AI is an awesome way to boost your income. And hey, if I can go from making gaming videos in my bedroom to building a freaking empire, you can definitely master a few AI tools and start earning some serious cash. Trust me, the possibilities are endless. Start by creating a stunning portfolio showcasing your best before and after edits. This will attract potential clients and show them what you can do. Don't forget to network, attend local events, join online communities, and connect with other freelancers. Building relationships can lead to more opportunities. Keep learning and improving your skills. There are plenty of online courses and tutorials that can help you stay ahead of the curve and offer even more value to your clients. Positive reviews and testimonials can boost your credibility and attract more clients. Always aim to deliver top-notch work and ask satisfied clients to leave feedback. Remember, freelance photo editing with AI tools not only offers financial rewards, but also the flexibility to enjoy a balanced lifestyle. So dive in and start turning those pixels into profits today. Next up, we're diving into the world of coding, but hold on, this isn't your typical coding boot camp. We're talking about AI-powered coding tools that'll make you feel like a tech wizard, even if you've never written a line of code in your life. Imagine this, you're building an app, and instead of spending hours debugging code, you've got an AI assistant like GitHub Copilot by your side, writing code with you, and catching errors before they even happen. It's like having a coding sensei guiding your every keystroke. And the best part? This AI-powered efficiency translates into some serious earning potential. We're talking about average annual salaries ranging from $120,000 to $180,000. For developers who've mastered these AI tools, that's enough to make it rain $100 bills. But it's not just about the money, though. Let's be real, that's pretty awesome. AI coding tools are revolutionizing the software development game. They're helping developers build better software, faster, and with fewer headaches. It's a win-win for everyone. And the demand for skilled developers is only going up. With the rise of SaaS products, web applications, and mobile apps, the tech industry is starving for talented individuals who can keep up with the pace of innovation. So, if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and become a coding superstar, AI is your secret weapon. Embrace the power of AI coding tools and watch your income skyrocket like a rocket emoji. These tools don't just make you faster, they also enhance your creativity. Imagine brainstorming with an AI that suggests innovative solutions you might never have thought of. Collaboration becomes a breeze too. AI tools can help synchronize team efforts, making sure everyone is on the same page and working efficiently. Plus, the learning never stops. With AI, you can continuously upskill, staying ahead of the curve in this ever-evolving tech landscape. The future of coding is here, and it's powered by AI. So gear up and get ready to embrace this exciting new era of software development. Celebrate your milestones, enjoy the journey, and watch as you transform into a software superstar with the help of AI. All right, let's talk content creation, the bread and butter of the internet. But forget about writer's block and endless hours staring at a blank screen. With AI-powered writing assistants like Jasper AI and WriteSonic, you can kiss those days goodbye. These AI tools are like having a team of expert copywriters at your beck and call. They can help you generate blog posts, social media captions, website copy, and even entire ebooks, all with just a few prompts. It's like having a content creation factory in your pocket. Now let's talk about the money, because that's what we're all here for, right? Freelance content creators who leverage AI tools can earn anywhere from $70,000 to $100,000 per year. That's right, you could be living the laptop lifestyle, traveling the world while your AI assistant churns out high-quality content. Businesses are constantly on the lookout for engaging and informative content, and that's where you come in. With your AI-powered writing skills, you'll be able to deliver top-notch content that ranks high in search engines and keeps audiences hooked. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, AI writing tools can help you streamline your content creation process, boost your productivity, and ultimately, earn more money. So ditch the writer's block, embrace the power of AI, and watch your content creation career soar to new heights. Next up, we're diving into the world of chatbots, but not the annoying kind that keeps you on hold for hours. We're talking about the next generation of AI chatbots that are revolutionizing customer service. These AI-powered chatbots are changing the game for businesses and creating lucrative opportunities for developers like you. They are smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. Imagine this. You create a chatbot that can handle customer service inquiries, book appointments, and even process orders, all while you're off living your best life. No more mundane tasks, just pure automation magic. That's the power of AI-driven chatbots. They work tirelessly around the clock, ensuring that your business runs smoothly and efficiently. And the best part? Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for this kind of automation. They see the value in investing in technology that can save them time and money. We're talking about salaries ranging from $90,000 to $120,000 per year for skilled chatbot developers. That's a significant income for a skill that's in such high demand. That's enough to make your head spin. Imagine the financial freedom and career satisfaction that comes with such a lucrative job. The demand for chatbot developers is skyrocketing as more and more businesses realize the benefits of automating their customer interactions. This trend is only going to grow. Chatbots can handle a high volume of inquiries, provide 24/7 support, and free up human agents to focus on more complex tasks. This means better service for customers and more efficient operations for businesses. And the best part is, you don't need to be a coding genius to get started. With the right tools and resources, anyone can learn to develop chatbots. There are plenty of user-friendly chatbot development platforms that make it easy to create sophisticated chatbots without writing a single line of code. These platforms offer drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-built templates. So if you're looking for a high-paying, in-demand skill that's only going to become more valuable in the future, chatbot development is the way to go. It's a skill that will open doors to numerous opportunities. Jump on this trend now and you'll be riding the wave of success. Don't miss out on the chance to be at the forefront of this technological revolution. Last but not least, let's talk about building your own online course empire. But forget about boring lectures and endless PowerPoint slides. We're talking about using AI to create engaging, interactive, and downright awesome learning experiences. Imagine this. You create a course on your area of expertise. And instead of spending hours recording lectures and designing presentations, you've got AI tools helping you every step of the way. AI can help you generate course content, create interactive quizzes and exercises, and even personalize the learning experience for each student. It's like having an army of teaching assistants at your disposal. And the earning potential? Well, successful online course creators can earn anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 per year. And that's just the beginning. The beauty of online courses is that they're scalable. Once you create a course, you can sell it to thousands of students around the world without any additional effort. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have that others would pay to learn? Whether it's photography, coding, marketing, or anything in between, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. So unleash your inner educator, embrace the power of AI, and start building your online course empire today. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 ways to make money with AI in 2024. From freelance photo editing to building online course empires, the possibilities are endless. Remember, AI isn't just about robots taking over the world. It's about empowering individuals like you to achieve financial freedom and pursue your passions. So, what are you waiting for? If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe to MoneyWaveUSA for more awesome content, and drop a comment below telling us which AI money-making method you're most excited to try. And as always, thanks for watching.